Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Kitenjo here, and today I'll be showing you my Malefic deck profile. And I did not upload for like like a month or something. For those of you who doesn't know, I started school at October 11, so I'll be uploading even less, so that's gonna be kind of rough, but I need to push my uploading rate. So let's get right into this one. Oh god damn, much better. I have to say something here. Why the didn't he set torrential tribute? Like, I see no reason not to set torrential tribute, so this was kind of dumb. And yeah, he surrendered because Geomatmic Final Sigma can double the damage. I have a 4000 attack monster on the field, so I have no idea why he surrendered. I'll be totally honest with you, but he did. So to the next replay, Malefic versus Odd Eyes, and my hand is trash. I mean, at least I have Dimension Shifter against fucking pendulums. I mean, I guess he's not going to get a plus with the Dark Worm. Yeah, he can't really do anything. I feel like this is a very weak replay. Why did I even save this shit? Okay, game 1 Sky Strikers. I'm going first, and I got Skill Drain. Not just normal summon pass. I mean, special summon pass. Negate. Oh, by the way, a Skill Drain is like a second field spell, which is kind of funny. Yeah, he's kind of just like wasting his extra deck monsters right now. So, game 1, I won. Game 2, I lost, and this is game 3. By the way, if you are new to this channel, I do not save replays that are completely useless. Like, if I win and there's nothing good about it, like I win in a completely stupid manner, I mostly don't save it. But if I lost, like got completely annihilated with no chance, I'm not gonna save that either, because at least I did not lose by making a misplay, or like I made a smart little gimmick or something. So I'm not going to save like trash. But I understand that the first two replays were trash, but I mean, I'm playing freaking Malefics, bro. What do you expect? I mean, I guess it's fine, but it's not that great. Shit. This dude is going to make this video long. We're just gonna keep drawing. And look at his back row. He got like 3 interruptions. And deck devastation virus. Yep. This is game 3, by the way, so deck devastation really devastates my opponent. Yeah, I'm unaffected. So that Mystic Mine is now bye-bye. Nope, I absolutely don't care. I get what I please, and oh, okay, well, Kagari add, and yeah, I mean, I have attack monsters, and he does not have any widow anchors to snatch steal one of them. So yep, he lost fair square. Let's go to the next one. Okay, Malefic versus Thunder Dragons. Oh, so I think I lost this one, but there's something to be learned or something. I don't know. I don't think this is game 1. I mean, I'm playing Lancia, so it's not. Yep, that is completely fair. Wait, what? Is it me? What the hell? I mean, this replay is kinda old, so I do not remember what was the misplay I did or whatever, but oh god damn it, this video is gonna be trash. Okay, no, Tribergate, okay. Game 1 Tribergate, let's go. And pass turn. Draw 2 cards. Wow, he did not Ash. Yep. Yeah, I mean, like, nothing to be said right now, so finally I got the Malefic sector. God damn. I play only one Malefic sector, so I do not get this card as much often, even with my Malefic World, so it's not gonna be easy to just search 2 cards with ease. Oh, by the way, only Malefic monsters can attack, so don't misplay on that. Only Malefics. And wait, what? Oh, okay, this was game 1. Whatever. Let's go game 2, and this time I have 3 floodgates. Oh, okay. Okay, now I think I remember this replay. I have a big head and I have a tiny brain to misplay this much. You're gonna see in a minute. Like, I have 3 good floodgates and I couldn't just play it offensively for once. Like, Zeus, like, what does that even do, man? Like, Zeus does nothing. Yeah. By the way, Malefic Paradox gear can activate under skill drain. Fantastic. Attack. Pancratops. I don't care, I mean, Zombie World is already a skill drain for Tribergate, so. By the way, props to Vixer for not scooping. God damn, like, he has lots of hand traps. Yeah, all he can do is just attack right now. And yeah. Wait, what? What was my misplay again? Sorry, I just need to see this once more. Hey, my bad, I know, but I wasn't focusing too much on the duel. Like, my head is all over the place. Zeus, I know. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay, I see. It's because that I did not go for summoning the Geomatmic Final Stigma, and I instead summoned a 4000 attack monster and left a 0 attack monster in attack position. Yeah, that was kinda dumb, and I actually missed out on a monster that can be unaffected by any monster effect as well. It's in the extra monster zone, so completely my bad. It's a misplay. Oh, okay. now another misplay came to my head. I should have used the artifact Lancia, then activated Malefic Territory, activate Malefic World, and when my turn comes up, I'm going to search for a specific Malefic card. So that is two misplays that costed me the entire duel. You see this? I should have activated it, just so that I could get any Malefic card. And by the way, I still have the artifact Lancia in my hand. Why didn't I activate it? That was so dumb for me to do, man. Attack, and specifically, yeah, 0 exactly. So that was a giant misplay. My bad, I know. But this deck have lots of potential. It's just like that. I'm not a good player, okay? I had like 3 floodgates and a lock, and I couldn't win. So, yeah, my bad. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be up. This video might not be out today. What's now? October 17. So this video might be a little bit late. So yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.